Rangdajied United Football Club kelayo ora ke Meghalaya State League Arjar Arpulai Trophy hadin baglalak ban pelim ke klip Mauli Youth Club da Shillong ha ke jingya kun final be tanat Hamadan SSE First Division ha pulo Shillong ha ka khatnyau terik jeliu Arjar Arpulai ha ka sengi satjan. Ya ka cool jong ka jing job akani ke jingya kun final la tap the one lamsuk nong klau ha ka kendai minute jong ka kelas step ha khamat ke pat ba nong kershan ke belashlei smam ha po stadium. Dakani ke jingjab ka RUFC kelayo kongi ke song pisa ka basan lak tingka kat baka klik mauli kelayo lai lak tingka kum ka kenhun bawan baar. Hakani ke sengi la samru iki khusnam shimet udon lat ding dok ka maulai SC ulayo kori ka golden boot kum top scorer hadin bo ulayo bantap khatsan gol baro ki arngut kirang yele kai ka Rangdajied ki layo kori ka khusna ya ka golden glove layo kordo banchan langsten kum best goalkeeper bat ka golden ball kala leche rang yele kai under 21 utremiki lamurong kum best player ubala la banil kai bha na ka benta kala adu ka RUFC mentau snem. Ya ka final hakani kesengi lawan bansa khilang dok sembut menteri rangpa ubak senyap halang dhar unong aibut ke sorkar jela ubak Hamletson Darling additional chief secretary Dr. P. Shakil Ahmed ke deputy commissioner jang ke East Khasi Hills ke kong RM Kurba ke secretary of sports and youth affairs ke kong R Soklet MLA Barim bat rang yele kai Barim ke India ubak Eugene Lingdo kinong yelam ke Meghalaya Football Association bat ki bamikmat ne district sports association prepare
West Timor is the best. Siapa Kristen mah yo kerupa. Karena mana? Karena sudah spell. Hah? Spell. Iya. Lagi kami itu juga spell yang spell. Mr. Rahir. Oh, ya dapat siap. Ini the proportion for people.
We'd also like to thank the Additional Chief Secretary of Meghalaya, Dr. Shillong Ahmed. A big thank you also to the Secretary of Sports and Tourism of Meghalaya on his behalf, and Jamla Dingo in the tournament scored a staggering 15 goals. Shillong stand of Rangdajied United Football Club. Shillong kept 5 clean sheets all throughout the tournament. Congratulations to him. I request the captain of the Meghalaya Youth Club to please come collect the check and the certificate as the winners, the second place winners of the Meghalaya State League 2023. Dr. Shillong Ahmed to please present the medals and also the trophy to the runner-up of the Meghalaya State League. I'd like to also inform that Tremiki Lamurong is an under-21 player, and the mandate of the Meghalaya State League is to have at least two under-21 players in the team. So congratulations to Tremiki Lamurong. Here are the winners of the Meghalaya State League 2023, Rangdajied United FC. This is the second time that Rangdajied United have appeared in the Meghalaya State League final, and lucky for them, the second time is actually the lucky time for them. The winners of the Meghalaya State League also get a cash prize of ₹5 lakh. We present to you the winner of the tournament of champions, the champion of champions, the winners